Hi, smart marketers. Welcome to my Ads Mastermind BD YouTube channel. And today's video, I will learn how to send a customs offer with right description on your project. So, first, I requested you to subscribe my channel and like this video. Also, comment this video, and you will enable the notification so that you can get like this important video from my YouTube channel. So let's go to start. To create a customs offer, first you when you get a permission to send a customs offer from your buyer, then you will create this customs offer. And to create this customs offer, you can see create an offer. Click create an offer section. When you click create an offer section, you can see my 2 gigs on the section. If you have multiple gigs, you can see this and select the right gigs as the service related. So I select first one. When I clicked first one, then I can see the many section of the payment like single payment, hourly payment, milestone payment, subscription, etc. So I can select single payment. When I click the single payment, I can see the description your offer, and here you can write your description one the two away, like in very shortly and in details. So first I show you the shortly process. You write one this message like Facebook and Instagram ads campaign as my buyer requirement for 37 or 15 days. This management duration depends on your gig description like basic package, standard package, and premium package. Basic package, my delivery duration 3 days because I management only the 3 days, and standard package delivery time 5 days and management duration 7 days, and my premium package delivery date 7 days and the management duration 15 days. So you can write base 1 year package like basic package, standard package, and premium package. Then you scroll down and select your delivery date. So you can select your delivery date based 1 year or depends on your package. So I am showing you the basic package. So delivery time 3 days, and basic package my service charge is 30 USD. And on this package I include offer only targeted audience research, ad content creation, and campaign setup. So I select this section targeted audience research, ad content creation, and campaign setup, and you extra select management duration 3 days. After fill up this wall section, you can send offer. You can click send offer. When you click send offer, your buyer will get a customs offer from you. This is the first one. And second process, you can see, yeah, second process, you can describe your total service in details so that your buyer will be satisfied. And Facebook and Instagram, that means your platform. If you give the Google Ads campaign service, then you will type here Google Ads campaign. Yeah. And scroll down, and you also describe details that what you get from me. You can say this message of your buyer. So you can write what will do for your buyer. I will describe that one, number one, targeted audience research. Number two, competitor research. Number three, set up attractive primary text and headlines. Number four, create and install the Facebook pixel. Number five, event setup. Number six, wall time campaign monitoring. Number seven, provide you with a daily campaign result report. And number eight, 24/7 wall technical support. When you describe in details, your buyer will be satisfied very much. So at this process, you can select your right delivery date and service charge based on your gig package like basic, standard, premium, etc. And when you select the premium package, then you can select 7 days delivery, service charge 150, and here you you can select everyone like action plan, current audit, targeted audience research, and content creation, campaign setup, campaign optimization, ads, analytic report, and management duration 15 days as my premium package required. So my premium package required 7 days delivery date and 15 days management duration. So I selected and fill up all the information. Then I click send offer. When I click send offer, then my buyer will get a customs offer from me. And while the following these rules and regulations, you can send a proper customs offer on your buyer so that your buyer will be satisfied of your service. So by this process, you can send a customs offer. So thank you very much for watching this video, and thanks to subscribe my channel. So no more today. Allah Hafiz.